Let's have a little chotito. What? Don't
It's
judge me.
okay.
Don't judge me, production. Ah. What a wonderful way to start the year. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Hey Bartender. Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender, here at the kitchen/studio. Production behind the camera and the twins upstairs trying to remain silent. We'd like to welcome you to this 2023. So, anyway, today we're going to start making a really fun cocktail. I don't know, what do you think, production? You think people will like a Guava Margarita? Well, please stay here with me. Let me show you how to make it with the greatest tequila, Volcán de mi Tierra. Please stay tuned. So how are we going to start making this cocktail? Super easy, guys. Volcán de mi Tierra Blanco. Let's go for 1.5 ounces. Let's go for your orange liqueur of preference. Guava Margarita, Control, Triple Sec, Patron Citron, whatever you guys decide for. Let's go for a 1 full ounce. With fresh lime juice. Let's go for 1 full ounce. Guava juice or guava nectar, or if you happen to have some guavas at home, just make sure that you use, like, blend them really well with a little bit of water, strain them, and you want to have this really tasty juice. 1 full ounce as well. And now let's get the fun part. Let's get some ice. Ice. Let's put some ice in it. And let's give it a nice shake. There's a baby Yoda, a Grogu, walking around this scenario with a dog. Oh boy. Oh boy. There we go.
Walk in.
Otilio, everybody. Say hi, Otilio. Say hi, Grogu. All right, out. No underage people behind the bar. All right. Ooh. Let's double check your sugars. In this case, we're going to add just a baby splash of agave nectar. And obviously, you're going to be making 2 cocktails. One for your love, one for yourself. So, gentlemen, grab your tall glass. Put a little bit of that lime juice on the rim. And get some cold tajin. For the ladies, same scenario, but just half of the rim in a nice martini glass. Now that we have everything on it, let's pour for the ladies. Let's fill up our glass with some fresh ice. Like a glove. Garnish for the gentleman. Nice wheel. That is a really long straw, production. Should I get a smaller one? For the gentlemen, some straw. And for the ladies, let's just put a lime wheel floating. There you have it, you guys. A Guava Margarita with Volcán de mi Tierra. Salud, everyone. Please don't drink and drive. Don't forget to like and subscribe.